Let's discuss a few questions. These are very common when we discuss PCOD. A lot of practitioners ask me several questions, so I'm making this video to take all the confusions away from you. So, question number one: what time should we practice exercise? So, ideally, you should practice in the morning. But if you don't have time in the morning or your schedule is like that it's difficult to exercise in the morning, then evening is also fine. But remember, if you're doing exercises in the evening, there should be a good gap between your lunch and exercise. At least 3 hours of gap should be there. So the thing is, you need to do exercise empty stomach. Morning, naturally you have empty stomach, and evening, if you do it at least 3 hours after lunch, it'll be a good option then. Question number two: should I do the exercise during periods? This is a very common question asked by many practitioners. So, the answer is no, you should not practice exercises during periods. And as the periods get over, you can start exercising the next day only. If you have too much cramps during the periods, then I have made a separate video, that is to remove the cramps. There are very easy exercises and some pranayams. The link is there at the I button and at the description also. So you can follow that video that is there telling you about the exercises to be done during periods. Question number three: is there different exercises for PCOS, PCOD, endometriosis, chocolate or water cyst, fibrosis, or such reproductive disorders? So the answer is all of the exercises related to the pelvic region where the reproductive system is situated, the exercises would be same for all the problems. So without any doubt, you can practice all the exercises that has been done. That is like I have shown it in my earlier videos. You can see the link at the I button. There is a part 1 which has already more than 2 million views. Then there is part 2, there is part 3. There is exercises for hormonal imbalance. There is a separate video for diet also, and for scanty periods also I have made a separate video. So you can go through that. The link is there at the description. You can go through that. Number 4, how much important is diet when it comes to cure PCOS or PCOD? So the answer is diet is really very important. The contribution of exercise and diet is almost 50-50%. So if you are in discipline with diet and with exercise, then only you'll be able to see the results. Do not expect yoga to work yourself too quick. Give yourself at least 2 to 3 months to come out this problem. You'll start feeling the difference within 2, 3 or maybe 4 weeks, but have patience. Diet, when I talk about diet, there are a few things. There is a separate video on diet I have already made, but remember, you should avoid junk, you should avoid sugar, all the animal fats, trans fats, and all the junk food. And you should have focus on detox diet. That will help you a lot. If you do diet with exercise, the results would be multiplied on a positive way. Question number 5. Does PCOD leads to problems in conceiving? The answer is yes, PCOD does create a lot of problem while you try to conceive. The reason is when the cysts are there in the ovaries, it takes a lot of space inside the ovaries, so it's always difficult for fetus to grow. There are chances even if you conceive, so you can get a miscarriage or something. So removing the cyst is a must to conceive. Question number 6. A lot of people ask, is PCOD curable? So the answer is yes, it's completely curable, but you need to change your lifestyle. Again, I'll say diet and exercises are two important pillars that you should be following to come out of this problem. I've seen cases that ladies have gone for surgeries and the cysts are being removed, but because of the wrong lifestyle and hormonal imbalance, within 2-3 months the cysts appears again. So remember, diet and exercise is the solution. If you follow the discipline, yes, you'll come out this problem. You can see in the comment sections of my PCOD videos, there are a lot of females who have completely come out of this problem. There are a lot of females who are like already pregnant, and there are females who are having a child already. So be positive, just follow the diet, follow the exercise. Message me in the comment section if you have a serious problem or if you are not able to come out from this problem. I'll help you for sure. There is another video, like if you are facing some problems in conceiving. So that video, the link is again there in the I section. You can go through that and have good results. Question number 7. Does PCOD leads to obesity? So the answer is yes, PCOD leads to obesity, and it's vice versa. If you are obese, you have ample chances to be to be suffering from PCOS or PCOD. And if you have already PCOS or PCOD, there are enough chances that you may gain a lot of weight. There are a few females who are underweight, but the percentage is very less. So if you want to come out this problem, you need to check your weight that it should be the normal one. Remember, to keep normal weight, you need to exercise, diet, and you should keep your lifestyle healthy. Question number 8. Is there any relation with PCOD to hirsutism, that is excessive hairs at the face, maybe chest, arms or legs, and acne? So hirsutism is a problem that is being generated because of the male hormone that is called androgens. So females also have androgens, but if it is in excess, that will lead to hirsutism. So if you take care of the hormonal imbalance, then only the hirsutism will be taken care of. And acne, that is also there because of the junk food, because of lifestyle, because of the hormonal imbalance. A lot of toxins are being generated inside the body. So when they try to come out from the skin, because the toxins are so much, so they are not coming out with stool, with urine, with sweat, with breathing out. So the skin is the area where they try to come out. So that leads to acne. So hormonal balance, curing PCOD, exercise, diet. These are essentials to take care of the acne and hirsutism. I hope I have answered all all the main questions related to PCOD. I have tried to take the confusions out. Still, if you have any confusion or question, please go down in the comment section and you can ask any question. Also remember to subscribe the channel. If you hit the like button, that will enable the video to reach out other females who have same problem. So please press the like button also. And do not forget to press the bell icon and press the notifications also. So whenever I release a video, you'll get a notification for that. With that, I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.